4, 3, 2.
We have to get to the Sorcerer's Stone before sleep. Wait, is it there? In that cell over there?
Oh, yeah, it seems like it. This is going to be such a problem.
Why?
Cells have a plasma membrane, or a cell membrane.
Yeah, and plasma membranes, they control what enter and exit the cell. They're permeable.
But if it's permeable, it won't be a problem for me to enter.
They're only semi-permeable. Some molecules, they get in different ways. Like some use integrated protein channels that are in the membrane, and others use like ATP.
It's also made up of the phospholipid bilayer, which has hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails.
Hey guys, is it just me, or does this membrane look kind of weird?
Oh, how so?
It looks more like a fluid than a solid.
Haven't you ever heard of the fluid mosaic model?
The what?
It says that the membrane behaves more like a fluid than a solid. Like all the proteins and lipids in the membrane, they're kind of like boats floating on water.
Well, we have no time to talk about this. We have to get to the Sorcerer's Stone.
Yeah.
I think I can do something about that, but we can only use each spell once, so we have to think this through very carefully. Agamenti!
What am I?
I think I have water molecule now.
Well, does this mean I can pass through the phospholipid bilayer, or?
No! Don't forget, the phospholipid bilayer has hydrophobic tails. You can't get in. See those water molecules over there by the channel? Sneak in with them.
Okay.
Yeah. The movement of water molecules across the cell membrane is called osmosis. It's a type of passive transport, and it requires no ATP. It goes from high concentration to low concentration. So yeah, just put something in there.
I'm in, people. I'm inside.
Okay, now that we can't use water, what shall we do, dude?
I suppose we could get in through facilitated diffusion. It's quite simple, really. A transmembrane protein, or a transporter protein, comes and makes a small water-filled pore that small hydrophilic molecules can get through. I wonder if I could turn into glucose.
That's brilliant, Hermione. I remember Snape read a potion for it in class. Maybe it's this one.
There's a riddle to figure out which one there is. It could be any of these 7.
Yeah.
Danger lies before you, while safety lies behind. 2 of us will help you, whichever you would find. 1 among us 7 will let you become glucose. Another will make any passage through the cell close. 2 among our number hold only cytoplasm. 3 will take your ATP, which you need to cross this chasm. Choose unless you wish to stay here forevermore. To help you in your choice, we give you these clues for. First, however, slyly the energy beam tries to hide. You will always find some on cytoplasm's left side. Second, different are those who stand at either end, but if you would move onward, neither is your friend. Third, as you see clearly, all are different size. Neither dwarf nor giant holds fatigue in their insides. Fourth, the second left and the second on the right are twins once you taste them, though different at first sight.
Which one?
Just take one.
Wait. Oh! It's this one, I'm sure. Well, here goes nothing. I did it!
Huh, okay, now what?
Now we have to find a gated channel, because that's how they get through.
Oh, you mean the proteins that like open and close?
Yeah, those. Come on, let's look for one.
Hey, is it this?
That? No, that's cholesterol, you git.
So membranes have cholesterol too?
Yes. They're structural lipids called sterols that are in eukaryotic cells, and cholesterol is one of the main ones. They help form the membrane and keep its structure. So, now I need the transmembrane protein. Osteotransmembrane protein. Okay, I'm inside the cell. How are you going to get in, Cho?
Oh, I guess I'll turn myself into a potassium ion. Cadabra!
Wait.
What?
Isn't the method for potassium ion a little bit more complicated than ours?
Oh, right. But it's too late, you know? Might as well try.
Okay, well you have to use the sodium-potassium ion ATPase pump.
That is quite a problem.
Well, does ATPase pump require ATP, or?
Yeah, that's why I can't use it. It's a type of active transport. All active transport requires ATP. This is going to be such a problem. You guys just go on ahead without me.
Okay, we'll meet you back here.
Yeah.
Wait. What's that noise? It's Floppy!
Well, molecule glucose, that which you see is very close. To move past, you must enter me these few riddles, it's only 3. One allowed of Harry Potter's entry, and did it require any energy?
Passive transport, and no.
What allowed Hermione's entry, did it require any energy?
Facilitated diffusion, and no ATP was needed.
And why could Cho Chang not pass?
She didn't have enough ATP.
Yay, now you might pass. Go ahead. We'll
We got